Welcome to this short video about EzBrandingGenerator. In the previous video I showed you how to use the custom menu to control what the users can see in the admin area of their WordPress sites. So in this video I'm going to go through these other settings here, the login, the dashboard and the footer. Let me first of all just quickly show you what we've got currently as the dashboard and how you would edit it. It's very simple. It's just a normal editing box, just like a normal post. You just type in here what you want. So let me log out of here first of all and show you that in our site as the other user, the test user I have, which is also an admin user, the same as the one I was just looking at. But you see, when this user logs in, they get this text that we showed there previously. Now you'll also notice down here that we've got a footer down this section down here with links in. I'll go back and show you where that comes from in just a moment. Now you also notice that when we log in, we're just getting the standard WordPress login screen and a standard plain background. So I'm going to change that for us at the same time while I'm doing all these things. So let's log back in and go to EzBrandingGenerator. And what I'm going to do first of all, I'll show you where the footer comes from. I'm not going to actually change that. What you can see is very simple. All you have to do is just change this. It's just a normal post box. You just type in there what you want to see and click update and it changes it. For the dashboard, you saw what the other user was seeing as the dashboard, whereas here is the EzBrandingGenerator user. I'm actually seeing all the normal dashboard things. I can do everything, including updating WordPress and everything like that. Here in this custom dashboard that we're making for the other users, let's just add some images. That's enough to try and make this a little bit different. I'm going to get them from my media library. Let's have these 3 images that I've got here. Let's insert those into my custom dashboard and update it. And we'll go back and see that in just a moment. But before I do that, let me just go to the custom login screen. And here I can change the login logo. So instead of getting the WordPress logo, I can have a different logo. And I can even, if I wish, change the background and put a background image. I'm going to do both of those in this particular case. So let's go back into our media library here. And I want this logo one. Insert that. And I'm going to put a full screen background on this login page just so you see the effect that you can have. Let's put this Monument Valley image on the background there. And update. And that's it. Just click update settings. So now if we log back in as our other user. Too fast. Okay. So you notice now that we've got this full background image and our logo. Instead of just the normal WordPress logo and a plain background. So you can use either. You can change the logo if you want and keep a plain background, or you can put an image on the whole thing. So let's log in as our test user and let's see what happens to the dashboard. So now you see we've got a custom dashboard with all these images on here doing advertising for us. And down here we've got our footer with links and things in. So you can customize all of these things very, very easily through EzBrandingGenerator. I've just come back and edited this video a little bit to add a short section to explain these 2 entries here, which were added in version 1.0201. These allow you to set the logo title, which is shown when you hover over the logo on the login screen, and where the logo redirects to when it's clicked on the login screen. So say I wanted to send that to push button computing, maybe I wanted to say coding by push button computing. So let me just update this now. So that updates the settings. If you left these two fields blank, then the logo title would automatically be the name of your blog, and the redirect URL would be the main page of the blog. So clicking on the logo would take you to the main page of the blog on the login screen. Let me just log out and show you the login screen again, just so you can see what I mean. Okay, probably. Okay, so now when I hover over there, it says coding by push button computing, just as I said. And if I was to click on that, so I click on it, you'll see it takes me to push button computing. Okay, so let me just go back. If I was to leave those fields blank, then this would actually say the name of your blog instead of coding by push button computing. And when I clicked on it, it would take me to the main page of the blog, the home page of the blog.